Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I am going to be sharing with you simple tricks that you can use to elevate your style. All right, we all know that there are some simple things that meant a lot in the fashion sense, in the fashion world. I am not your fashion police, all right? Things I've been doing in the past that helped me to elevate my style. So I'm going to be sharing these simple tricks with you today, all right?
Do you believe in love? How crazy.
So if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do leave me a comment in the comment section. Please let me know your thoughts about this video and please turn on your notification post so that you get notified whenever I have a new video. Like 5 tricks, very simple things that some of us will just want to, like, you know, don't care about, or some of us are just like, it's not a big deal. Those are the things I'll be sharing with you today. Before I jump into today's video, I want to say thank you for Lily Silk for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for reaching out to me to try your products. So we're going to quickly talk about Lily Silk before I give you those tricks, all right? And if you want to see what I'm going to be doing with this hair, with one of the products that was sent to me by Lily Silk, please watch this video till the end, all right? And you are going to see why I encourage you to please watch the video till the end. Lily Silk is a silk company that are very affordable. I call silk as an investment because when you invest in good quality silk material, you're investing on yourself. All right, so Lily Silk use 100% premium mulberry, which is known as queen of fiber. Also, they use magnolia cashmere soft gold in their material, in their products rather. They are not only about pillowcases, they also have pajamas, they have face mask for you to relax when you want to sleep, and they have they also have heat hair coilers like the one I show you on the screen, also pillowcase. I will leave the link to this company in the description box for you to check them out, see all the amazing product they have on their website. They are very affordable. If you're conscious about natural resources, silk is one of those materials you should invest in because it's used, Lily Silk material use less water compared to cotton. So I will encourage you to invest on more silk material. They have bonnets. Did I mention that? Bonnets that you can use to cover your head. Silk, do you know the benefit of using Lily Silk bonnets? It's going to prevent frictions that happen between your hair and your pillowcase. All right, and the more benefit of using silk pillowcase by Lily, it's going to help to retain moisture on your face, not only on your skin but also on your hair. So whatever product you apply before you go to sleep on your face and also on your hair, the pillowcase by Lily will retain those moisture for you. It's going to prevent wrinkle. All right, also if you're wearing an outfit like a camisole from them or a shirt made by Lily Silk, it's gonna help you to control the temperature of your body under your under armpits. You know how those sweat, but because they use 100% mulberry, it's going to help to regulate your body temperature. So there are so many more amazing benefits about using, you know, silk. I will encourage you to visit Lily Silk and see so many products they have, and they are very affordable. On the screen I present to you what is called the heatless coiler. I am going to be putting this in practical, and also I'm going to insert the video and let you see the hair that I'm wearing currently. You all can see it is straight, yeah, and I've worn this hair for years. So I'm going to be coiling this hair with the heatless coiler that you're looking on the screen right now. That's what I'm going to be using to coil it up, and I will show you at the end of this video how it turns out. So if you want to see that, please, I do encourage you to continue watching up until the end of this video. All right, we're going to move on to my 5 points, that simple tricks that I'm going to share with you to elevate your look. First of all, I'm going to talk about camisole. Instead of you using tank tops, which I have done in the past, don't get me wrong, I've worn tank top from my house to a very long distance on top of a palazzo, which I no longer do. So instead of using a tank top, why not just use a camisole, a very feminine one? And you can find one on Lily Silk website. They are very affordable. They have different colors and they also have different sizes. That's my point number one. Switch your tank top for a feminine silk, silhouette look. Number two, grooming. I'm not recommending that you should always wear acrylic nails or fake nails, but if you're going to leave your nails in their natural stage, make sure they are very clean, they are well trimmed, and they don't have a lot of dirty nails. Doesn't speak well for us. It just make you look like you're dirty. Basically, my number 3 point is practice how not to reveal your bra strap all the time. We have so many options in the market. All right, also Lily Silk, they sell bras, so you might want to check them out. Imagine you're wearing a bra that's made from silk. Remember what I told you before, silk regulates our body temperature, so there is no sweat out there. It's going to regulate it for you. So you have so many options of bra straps. You don't have to show your bra straps when you're wearing camisole, off shoulder, alter neck, backless. There are so many options out there that you could use to make it, to put all your girls together without turning down your outfit that is very expensive, but your bra strap is showing. No matter how clean or spotless that bra is, it's going to ruin your outfit if your bra strap is showing. The fourth point I'll be sharing with you all is about accessories. I love accessories, but I try to balance it out. If I'm wearing a very long and very big statement necklace, I'll wear very small earring to balance it out. Likewise, if I'm wearing statement earrings, I wear very small necklace just to balance it out, or I don't wear necklace at all. If my earrings is as long from here down here, I'll just ignore my necklace for that day. My earring, my shoe, and my purse do the my bracelets, my watch, and little ring here and there do the statement for me. All right, so I will encourage that you just balance it out. And if you love blinks like me, I will say keep your blinks for the night out. When you go out, you're going to shine out there. Don't make it too much. If the dress you're wearing is already blinking, just balance it out with simple accessories. All right, and the last point that I'll be sharing with you all is what we all need most in life. We want to project what I call confidence. No matter what you're putting on, no matter how expensive, no matter how hand the brand is, no matter how beautiful you look, no matter how put together you look, if you don't have confidence, it's going to ruin everything completely. So you want to project confidence every time you're out there. Confidence, carry yourself in a way that's not being proud. All right, not running people down, but not looking at people like you're up there beneath you, above them. No, confidence is just knowing who you are. All right, just roll it, project the confidence, and that's all about it. That's all about this video today. Please do not forget to check Lily Silk out and check out their links in the description box. Ladies, if you want to see how I transform this hair from looking this straight to the coily version of it by using the heatless coiler by Lily Silk, please watch this video to the end, and do not forget to leave me a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.